Hello all of you. Today the software marketing channel is back. Share with everyone a software that helps you exploit fan page information related to the keywords you need to search for. The tool I introduce to everyone today is MKT Data. I open the software. Select the section to scan fan page information by keywords. I enter a keyword here. An example is New York. Then I will select the scanning account. I enter here the quantity I want to search for. For example, if you want to search for 100, I press Start to operate. Please wait a moment for it to work. When the software works, it will log into your Facebook account logged into the software. One or more accounts can be entered during the operation of the software. The software will scan information and fan page containing the keywords New York. If I ask it to search for 100 fan pages, it will return 100 fan pages. The information will be displayed as a fan page link, ID, number of followers of that fan page. I can export it to an Excel file for easy checking. Now I can export an Excel file with the name New York, for example. Once the Excel file has been exported, I open the Excel file to check the information. Open the Excel file. The first information is the search keyword. Second is the fan page ID. Each ID is for a different fan page. The third column is the name of the fan page. And the last column is the number of fan page followers. Based on this number of follows, I can decide which fan page is a competitor. This is one of the functions MKT Data software has. In addition, it also adds many other features. Anyone interested, please contact me directly. I'll leave the information in the video. I will advise everyone further. Thank you and see you again in the next videos.